come up later, but I'm Debbie Corrigan from Monash University. And I suppose I'm not going to highlight particular innovations that we're talking about. I think really what we wanted to highlight was the partnership and how important the partnership is for us. And not only with each other, but with our colleagues at Monash and our colleagues at other universities. And so to that end, I'm going to talk about a particular partner, but just as an example of some of the things that we've already done. And one of the first things that we've done in this project is actually map the sorts of partnership programs that we have going on at Monash, because we think if we're actually going to share our wisdom with our other university partners, we actually have to know what's going on in our own university. So we've had a go at mapping all of the activities that go on at Monash between the science faculty, the education faculty, and particularly other partners like the John Monash Science School. It could be the synchrotron, it could be other faculties in the university. And it was pretty surprising because there's quite a lot going on, and so we think that there's a huge base on which to draw upon. And it's going to be really important to know that, because it's not just about the senior secondary years. It has got to be right through from early childhood and right through to the tertiary sector. Why I wanted to highlight John Monash Science School is that I think that's probably been one of our most productive partnerships. And just to talk a little bit about that, this is a specialist science school for years 10, 11 and 12, and the education faculty and the science faculty and many of the colleagues are here who have worked in this project, have worked with the John Monash Science School in developing their curriculum. So we've developed a number of cutting-edge science curriculum units already, and we have seen students go through the pipeline of John Monash now for 2 years with great success. We've got a lot of things to learn from the successful partnership that we've had with the school, and we think that that partnership can not only extend both upwards into Monash University and other universities, but also can extend down in the school sector, and we think that's fundamentally important. So ideally for us, what's fundamentally important here is actually about the partnerships and the sorts of opportunities that we provide for students learning science. And so this is the foyer actually of John Monash Science School. But I think equally what we've done at Monash is to invest in science learning and to try to put students in environments that says, we think your learning is important and we will put you in those sorts of environments. And so John Monash provides us with that opportunity to explore the impact also of those sorts of learning environments and how we can provide those. And so Christina and I have been, we're marshalling the troops, many of who are here today, and hopefully we'll be able to build on these relationships and share that with our colleagues, because like the other 3 universities, it is actually about what we can do collectively, and that's the power of change, is really about what we can do collectively. Thank you.